Hello, I'm Steve Warren. I'm an ActionScript developer. I have my own company. It's called Interactive NYC, but I also have a day job. I work for a company called Speakaboos, and at Speakaboos I have created, with a small team of developers and creative people, I've developed an iPad app that's a children's interactive storybook app. It's currently available in the iTunes Store. Please go download it, rate it. We're enjoying 5-star ratings across the board. We like it very much. I'm very proud of this project. And I'm currently working on the Android version. So the code base is going through changes. We're adding features. All kinds of things are happening, and we need to take this rather large code base and be careful about how we work with it and bring it forward into the future. So I've written a tool. It's called the Code Analyzer. It's a GitHub project. It's open source, and I'm going to show you what it does and how to set it up, and I would be very happy if anyone would want to contribute to this project. I have ideas for features that will make this a more robust application, and I don't have time to do everything that I want to do all by myself. So I'm recruiting you to help me with this project. Okay. So go to github.com/interactivenyc, and you'll see a nice picture of me and my repositories. Code Analyzer is the one that I'm talking about, and this is a list of all the files and folders in my application. At the moment, I've just done a bunch of work that I haven't committed back into the master branch. I'm working in a branch called All Targets. So if we switch to All Targets, you'll see that I've reorganized the application into different folders. I've got a CA library project, which is the core of the app, and I've got CA desktop, CA mobile, and CA web app. These are 3 separate projects that allow me to compile the app for viewing on the desktop, for viewing on a mobile app, iOS or Android, or viewing on a web page as a web app. So let's see. Moving on to Eclipse. This is I use Flash Builder, which is based on Eclipse. It's an IDE for helping me navigate and work with my code. Basically, when you download my GitHub repository, you're going to need to set up a handful of separate projects. This is an ActionScript library project. The CA desktop is an ActionScript project. Web app is an ActionScript project, and CA mobile is a ActionScript mobile project. When you're setting it up, you're going to want to create new projects, and you'll see that there are a few different project types. ActionScript library is the first one I was talking about. CA library is an ActionScript library project. Both the desktop and the web apps are ActionScript projects, and CA mobile is an ActionScript mobile project. I've set these up as 3 separate projects because each platform that I'm publishing to has its own set of instructions for how to go about compiling it. So CA library is the core of the app, and these smaller projects are basically just stubs that have a main class, an output folder for outputting the file, and its set of data files.